Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing the South Okanagan. I'm Robert. Today I am doing my first on-boat filming and I can't be more excited. It is a beautiful day out for beginning of June, and even though it's a little windy out there, I'm in a bay right now on Skaha Lake over by Ponderosa Resort, and right now I figured show you guys about the popper. Now, I've talked about it in my previous video. Now I want to show you how I use it to my advantage, and hopefully you can pick something up and use it towards your advantage. So let's get started. So right now, before I even started this video, I already caught one little guy, and it was so much fun. Like one of the things I love most about fishing is the topwater. Love topwater so much. It's just the excitement and the explosions that the big fish bring that is parallel. Like it just can't. It just starts the heart, and it's so much fun. So let's show you how it's done. Okay, we good there? We good. Okay. So, first thing I do is cast it out and just let it sit. Sometimes the fish initially hit it on the first hit when it hits the water. Others, it takes a while to get them to bite. Okay, so you just pop it down and let it sit. Pop it, let it sit. Pretty easy to use. Just pop it down like this and let the bubbles dissipate, or the rings I should say. You can work it fast, you can work it slow, you just gotta see what the fish want. Ooh, that was a big one. Now right now I'm using a Rapala X-Rap popper in the perch. And the bass around here just eat it up. They love it so much. And again, I'm using a medium extra fast 7-foot rod. 7-foot cast out farther and makes more accurate casts than any that I've had. You pretty much want to pop it on a semi-slack line. If you do it too tight, chances are you'll make the popper fly right out of the water. It's not many times you can actually get a nice bay with barely any wind or ripple. And it's perfect conditions for poppers. Another great thing about poppers is it's a great search bait. You find the fish, you can have a lot more fun when you find a lot more of them. you pretty much need calm water, like really glassy water, in order for the bass to track the bubbles and find the actual lure. But yeah, just all you do is hold your rod, bring it down, let the rings dissipate, bring it down, and usually they hit it pretty well, and it's so much fun. Even kids would love it, since it's pretty much like watching a bobber go down when a fish hits. But this is a lot better, because when it actually hits the hook, you can't see anymore and the fight is on. So that's pretty much wraps it up for poppers. I'll get on more videos as best I can. Hopefully this video helps. And tight lines, subscribe, like, and see you on the water.